What is going on, everybody? This is Deerhuntingpassion. We are back with another video. Specifically, this is going to be another cooking video. We're making steaks, so I decided, why not make a video. But I hope you're all having a great day, and let's get right into it. So, the seasonings we're going to be using is Everglades Heat, Everglades Cactus Dust, Everglades Original, and Uncle Chris's Gourmet Seasoning. I'll leave all that link in the description. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe and turn off the post notifications. Like this video, and we are going to go right into it. Alright, so as y'all can see, we're seasoning this. Hey, get back. We're seasoning this steak right now. Right now, we're using our cactus dust. Yeah. The Everglades Heat will come last. Put a little bit of that Everglades Original, just a little. It's a strong seasoning, so you don't want to put too much. Pat that up in there. Turn it over. Put your Uncle Chris's. If I can open it. There we go. This is probably my favorite steak seasoning right here. Ooh, that was a little much. It's okay. There we go. Now we're going to put our Everglades Heat just a little bit. Man, that just looks beautiful. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're putting the steaks in a big Ziploc bag. You can put them in individuals. And you put one in there flat, just like that. Grab some Worcestershire sauce and put it on there. Pretty good amount. Then on top of it, you put the other steak. You put more Worcestershire sauce. You put a little bit more this time. And I would leave it like 15 minutes on one side. Then go back to the fridge, flip it over, and do the other side. Hey, everybody, y'all know what's just funny is I just noticed, look at how much seasonings I have. Like, this just shows how much I like to cook. Hey guys, let me know if y'all enjoy these videos. If not, then tell me in the comments because, I don't want to do anything y'all don't like. But I saw that y'all check out my gun collection video. That's got like 60-something views. But, if y'all like that, let me know. I'll go aim out a gun. I'll aim out my 243 or anything like that. Like, we'll aim it out. We'll show you how to aim it out, how I like to aim it out. Like, we can get it bore-sighted. And y'all just let me know, alright? Alright, everybody. So, they've been marinating for probably 45 minutes, which is over 30 minutes. You can tell they look darker. And then keep that marinade, that little marinade that's left, keep that. And I'll show y'all what to do with that later. So we got these steaks ready. Now the fire's not done yet. I've been blowing at it for like 30 minutes, almost passed out. Alright, today we're making green beans. I would have bacon. I would show you how I make it with bacon, but we don't have any bacon right now. So, and then the old macaroni, just like the other video. Like if we had zucchini, guys, I would go all out. I'd make sauteed zucchini with some green beans and bacon. But right now, we've only got this, and we're going to show you how to cook them. What's going on, guys? So we are getting the steaks on there right now. It's perfect temperature. The charcoal, if you want to look at it real quick, it's like been messing with me all day. So we're gonna put it on the hottest spots of the day, or hottest spots on the grill. What am I saying? Now steaks don't take that long to cook, especially if you want them like medium rare. Alright, as you can see, we are getting ready to make our sides, and that is because, like I said, it only takes 10-15 minutes to cook steaks. But, you want to get yourself some butter. Alright, so we got our butter right here. It's over here. Some of that good stuff. So, as you can see, we already opened up the green beans. Now, you want to keep them in the, keep the juice in there for the green beans. I know I said on the other video not to keep it for the corn, but that's corn. And you want to get some salt and some pepper. Pepper is key. You want to get some pepper. So we're going to pour the green beans in the pan. You don't want it too hot. You want it just to simmer, just to cook themselves. We're going to put a lid over it, but let's pour it on in there. There we go. Alright, so we got our green beans in there. Now what y'all want to do is get yourself some butter. Right here, about that much. Throw it up in there. Push it down in there. And then on top, put your salt and your pepper.
Guess what this steak looks like? The yummy steak! The awesome steak!
Oh, dang it. Alright, so, like I said, keep the juice. Now what y'all want to do is just pour it on top. Oh man, that's just the good stuff. If you could smell this right now, spread it up on there. Alright guys, so we're just checking the steaks. They're looking like they're coming pretty good. There we go. Fire's looking good. So we're just finishing up these green beans. The steaks are almost done. Now we're just gonna boil our water right here so we can make some macaroni. But guys, I hope y'all enjoy these videos. I enjoy making them. I enjoy all y'all watching them. And if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed, that's fine. You're not. Thank you for watching this video. You know, if you thumbs it up, thank you. But like, if you want to subscribe, because like this is an awesome channel. We're heading to the top, slowly but surely. Alright guys, so we're just grabbing the steaks right now. We're taking them off. They look really good. I mean, check that out. Let's go inside and cut them up. As y'all can see, we're cutting the steak up right now. I mean, it just looks beautiful. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that, guys. The smell is so good. Like, if y'all use this way, like, all I did was I kept smoking it and closing the barbecue pit, you know, slowly cooked it. It took about 20 minutes, but like time, man, it'll work. Trust me, guys. This is gonna taste so good. All right, so we're just draining the macaroni, guys. We're gonna feast. Then after that, you're just left with a pot. Then you come over here, grab yourself a little bit of butter, about that much. I don't usually measure, and then throw your cheese in there. After that, y'all just want to pour a little bit of milk. I like my macaroni creamy. I don't like it thick. And then we just come over here and we mix it up. Real good. Alright everybody, that is what you're left with that beautiful plate. I throw a little bit of pepper in there and that is what it looks like. You got your green beans, your macaroni, and your steak. It doesn't get much better than that. But let's see what my brother thinks about the food real quick.
I'm gonna go first with the steak. Really good.
Alright, let's see what the other stuff tastes like.
A little bit chewy also. Just a little. I'm gonna go a little over here because that one's a little too hot.
Yeah, we just cooked the macaroni.
That's good.
Is it?
Yep.
Alright guys, y'all heard that. Y'all saw it, what we did. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all want next in the comments. You know, like this video, subscribe, please subscribe, and turn on post notifications so y'all can be notified when we make videos. But, like, guys, look at that steak. That's a good steak right there. But I love y'all. I'll leave my channel right here. Some of my other videos down here. But let me know what y'all want next, and I love y'all. Remember, guys, take life slow and enjoy it. Alright, peace.